Can low oil prices be beneficial? And if so, who would benefit? A period of lower oil prices creates buying opportunities for quality oil and gas leases. As an independent oil and gas operator, Landmaster Partners is able to find many great opportunities that become available because we work in the oil fields every day and know what's going on in our area. In addition, we have low overhead, so the cost to produce the oil and gas is usually $5 per barrel or less, resulting in high profits and sustainability at $40 or $50 oil prices. The key to success in oil is to know where to acquire prime oil and gas leases with proven oil and gas reserves that simply need to be reworked and upgraded or drilled where oil pay zones are known. Working interests in these leases are available to qualified individuals or entities, which could result in increased cash flow for those who participate. In many cases, an 8-to-1 or better return on these investments can be realized even with lower oil prices. And when prices increase again, profits could be tremendous. Now you too can benefit from the know-how and expertise of our company by directly participating in the oil leases that are available. Why invest in oil stocks or other energy funds when you can participate directly at the source of the oil and gas? By investing in oil and gas, you will have the advantage of direct participation in the working interests of oil and gas wells. This means you enjoy all of the substantial tax advantages of tangible and intangible costs and the oil depletion allowance. So who can benefit from low oil prices? You can. For information about this unique opportunity, just fill out the form below or click the newsletter tab to see our current activity.